To transfer cryptocurrency from Revolut to a Tangem wallet, start by opening the Revolut app and clicking on the script option from the bottom menu. This will display the amount of cryptocurrency you have. And from there, you need to click on the send button. A list of cryptocurrencies will appear, and you must select the one you want to transfer. In this case, USDT. Next, you need to select the wallet address. If you haven't already added one, you'll need to click on the Add Wallet Address button. This will open a new screen where you'll select the network you want to use and then paste the wallet address from your Tangem wallet. To get the wallet address, open your Tangem wallet app. Click on the menu at the top of the screen, and then click on Wallet and Manage Tokens. Search for the cryptocurrency you are transferring, USDT. Select it, and enable the same network you selected in Revolut. After enabling the network, click Save, and the cryptocurrency will appear on the home screen of your app. Select it, and you'll see a Receive button. Click on it to get your QR code and wallet address. Copy the wallet address. Then open the Revolut app again, and paste it into the required area, making sure to select the same network as before. Click Continue, and your wallet address will be added to the screen. From there, enter the amount you want to transfer and click on Review Transfer to get a summary of your transfer. Ensure your wallet address and network are correct, and then click the Send button. Once you've completed these steps, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from Revolut to your Tangem wallet.